Me again. With a quick weather update. It's been too cold for too long. End of update. The summer days I enjoyed so much feel like they must have happened over half a year ago. I cannot sit by and wait for summer to come to me. I must go to it. But I fear reaching summer may take me over even harsher terrain than somewhat smooth surfaces. So to do so, I need a vehicle capable of taking me there. As, in its previous form, I would worry the car might not make it to the end of the rally. The Worry the Car Rally for short. T-shirts are available. I don't know the exact rules of rallying, but the one thing I do know is that the car must look as cool as possible. So I headed to the shed to make a few changes. I added lights, so I can see even in the most heavily shaded areas. Secondly, attach not one but two spare tyres, because when one thing goes wrong, something else inevitably does straight after to beat you down just that little bit more. Thirdly, spoiler warning, a spoiler. And finally, after stocking up on plenty of soy sauce should I or the car get thirsty on the way, we are ready to embark for summer. Let's go. The first day of the worried the car might not make it to the end of the rally brings me to the edge of a great plain. See? As the light is fading, my priority is to set up camp before night creeps in. It's been nearly 2 years since I last pitched a tent. But I remain confident that I can do it, even when under the extreme pressures of survival. Step 1. Simply take the, Unfortunately, my camera messed up as I was doing it, but I can assure you it was done calmly and methodically. Now, where does this bit go? My acute survival instincts tell me I should now get a fire going. It being winter, I, along with my vitally important thirst-quenching soy sauce, could freeze if exposed to, freezing temperatures for too long. Luckily, I am just as much an expert at lighting fires with minimal equipment as I am at putting up tents. Oh, it is crummy. Simply collect various bits of wood found scattered on the ground in most outdoor settings. These will do nicely. After rubbing them together in a way I won't bore you with too many details, the fire roars into life. If something is unclear, be sure to rewind and watch that section again. It may not seem important to know these survival skills in the modern world where, if you ever need to light a fire, you could simply use matches. But it may just save your life. I will now rest for the evening, so I'm fresh for the journey ahead tomorrow. This is just the beginning of, my adventure. What is that smell? Thanks again for watching. Goodbye. Again.